Welcome back to Auto Luxury Channel, the home of timeless machines, classic craftsmanship, and the golden age of American trucks. Today, we're diving into one of the most rugged and respected workhorses of the 1950s, the legendary 1956 GMC 150. If you love vintage trucks, forgotten classics, and automotive history that still turns heads in 2026, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community of classic vehicle enthusiasts. The 1956 GMC 150 was more than just a pickup truck. It was a symbol of hard work, durability, and American pride during a time when trucks were built to last generations. Back in the mid-1950s, GMC was creating vehicles that combined toughness with style, and the 1956 model became one of the most admired pickups of its era. At first glance, the 1956 GMC 150 carries an unmistakable presence. The bold front grille, rounded fenders, and classic chrome details instantly remind you of a simpler time in automotive history. Unlike modern trucks packed with screens and technology, this machine relied on pure mechanical honesty. Every line of the body was designed with purpose, and every inch of the truck reflected strength. One of the most iconic features of the 1956 GMC 150 was its updated front-end styling. GMC introduced a cleaner, wider grille design that gave the truck a confident and commanding appearance. The wraparound windshield added a modern touch for the era, improving visibility while making the truck look ahead of its time. Even parked at a classic car show today, this truck attracts attention from collectors and younger enthusiasts alike. Performance. Under the hood, the GMC 150 offered dependable power that made it ideal for farms, construction sites, and everyday hauling. Many models came equipped with an inline-six engine known for reliability and smooth performance. These engines were not built for speed, they were built for endurance. Owners trusted these trucks because they could survive years of heavy work without losing their character. Driving a 1956 GMC 150 today feels completely different from driving a modern pickup. There's a raw mechanical connection between the driver and the road. The steering feels heavy, the engine sounds alive, and every gear change reminds you that you're operating a real machine, not just a computer on wheels. That experience is exactly why classic truck fans continue to fall in love with these vintage GMC models. Inside the cabin, simplicity ruled everything. The dashboard was clean and functional, featuring large gauges and straightforward controls. There were no touchscreens or luxury gadgets. Instead, the cabin focused on durability and comfort for hardworking drivers. Bench seats, metal trim, and vintage steering wheels gave the truck an authentic personality that modern vehicles simply cannot recreate. What makes the 1956 GMC 150 even more special today is its growing collector value. Classic truck enthusiasts appreciate its timeless styling and solid engineering. Restored examples are becoming increasingly desirable at auctions and vintage automotive events. Some owners choose factory-correct restorations, while others transform these trucks into stunning resto mods with modern engines, upgraded suspensions, and custom interiors. The beauty of the GMC 150 is its versatility. Whether fully restored, customized, or preserved with original patina, the truck always maintains its classic soul. That's rare in the automotive world. Many vehicles lose their identity when modified, but the 1956 GMC 150 continues to shine no matter how it's built. Another reason enthusiasts admire this truck is because it represents a golden era of American manufacturing. In the 1950s, trucks were designed for real-world toughness. Steel bodies, strong frames, and straightforward engineering made these pickups dependable tools rather than disposable products. The GMC 150 became part of everyday life for countless families, farmers, and workers across America. Today, seeing a 1956 GMC 150 cruising down the road feels like watching history come alive. The deep exhaust note, polished chrome, and vintage paint colors create an unforgettable presence. Younger generations who never experienced the 1950s are now discovering the charm of these classic trucks through car shows, YouTube videos, and restoration projects. Collectors also appreciate the rarity of surviving models. Over the decades, many work trucks disappeared due to heavy use and harsh conditions. Finding an original GMC 150 today is becoming increasingly difficult, which only adds to its legendary reputation among classic truck lovers. What truly separates the 1956 GMC 150 from modern pickups is character. Modern trucks may offer more horsepower and technology, but few have the personality and emotional connection of this vintage machine. Every scratch, every faded emblem, and every engine sound tells a story from another era. For classic vehicle fans, the GMC 150 represents freedom, craftsmanship, and the spirit of old-school America. It reminds us that vehicles were once built with simplicity, honesty, and lasting quality. That timeless appeal is why this truck continues to inspire restorers and collectors all around the world. Even in 2026, the demand for vintage GMC trucks keeps growing. Social media and automotive culture have introduced younger audiences to the beauty of classic pickups, and the 1956 GMC 150 remains one of the most respected names in vintage truck history. Thanks for watching Auto Luxury Channel. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of the legendary 1956 GMC 150, make sure to like this video, leave a comment about your favorite classic truck, and subscribe for more incredible vintage automotive stories. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next classic car adventure. Until next time, keep your passion for timeless machines alive.